guys, let's discuss the pros and cons of the different business types. Now, when starting your own business, the structure you pick for your business can be vitally important. Choosing among the different business types will affect your day-to-day working and, of course, how you pay your taxes. Your choice can positively or negatively affect how you are protected as an owner and even your business's future selling ability. Now, it's critical that you are familiar with all types of businesses, the information requirements, as well as their advantages and disadvantages, and much more to determine which business structure is best for your business objectives, taxes, and future goals based on the business structure that you choose. Now, before deciding on a business type, consider whether you want to make your company a structured, legal, recognized state entity. As a business owner, your first option is to decide how you want to run your company. Would you rather become an individually run establishment or a legally recognized entity? The choice is yours. A sole proprietorship, for example, is a simple and uncomplicated entity type, and it does not necessitate any formal filings or paperwork. There's no need for taxation because it is an individual entity, so all profits and losses are self-owned. This business entity type does present challenges in that the owner does not have any mandate at all to protect his or her finances due to the lack of separate accounting records or financial statements, which can result in a lack of proper accounting management and financial reporting. Furthermore, the freedom to run your business without supervision or interference does come at a cost. And perhaps the biggest drawback of a sole proprietorship is that you don't have limited liability protection, so you are personally liable and can be sued personally. Limited liability companies, or LLCs on the other hand, now these are legal entities that shield individuals from personal liability for the company's financial losses or debt liabilities. Now, in the event of a legal action or business failure, the company assumes liability rather than its constituent partners or shareholders. And when it comes to forming an LLC, there are numerous advantages. But just to name a few, an LLC business is well known for its simplicity and flexibility, and it offers the flow-through taxation that individually operated companies enjoy. This type of business structure keeps the individual owner separate from the company and its liabilities. Now, you can have one owner or an unlimited number of owners, and each member can choose their own taxation method. Now, under LLC business formation, you have the option of being taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an S corporation, or a C corporation. And in addition, members in an LLC can receive write-offs that are larger than the individual ownership percentages. Members can own disproportionate percentages but split profit and loss equally. That is, if your financial planner believes that it helps all parties, actually. One of the drawbacks of an LLC is the high cost of state renewal and compliance fees. Some counties even charge fees beside the state fees. And certain states also have a levy or a franchise and excise tax or a capital values tax on LLCs. And while the paperwork is straightforward for an LLC, the fees demanded can become complex and costly. Another disadvantage, under your operating agreement, investor contributions may be prohibited. Similarly, investors may be hesitant to invest in a company that will never be listed on the stock exchange. Now, in this video, we've only highlighted the two most common business entities. For more information about the benefits and drawbacks of other business types, these can be found in our full written version of the article, and you can get there by clicking the link in the description box below. Now, go ahead, find out more about general partnerships, corporations, S corporations, cooperatives, and non-profit corporations. And after going over all of these types of business entities, their benefits and their drawbacks, you can now determine where you stand and what structure works best for you in terms of your goals, abilities, and the capability of running a successful business. Now guys, if this information was helpful to you at all, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified every time we post new videos.